Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on Duke Street driving from downtown Kingston to the Cross Roads area. We just passed Garden House, which is where the Parliament of Jamaica meets, and we're going up to National Hero Circle now to go into the Cross Roads area. Okay, so this is where Duke Street ends and it intersects National Heroes Circle. So straight ahead is National Heroes Park, and that's where you have the former prime ministers and national heroes of Jamaica. Some of them are buried over there. Okay, on the right, where you see that blue wall, that's the Ministry of Education. That's the building over there. We have quite a few government ministries on this road. Straight ahead now, coming into view, that's another government ministry. I think it's the Ministry of Labour. It is the Ministry of Labour, but I'm just not sure what the official name is, because every time a new government comes into power, they change the name. Okay, so it's the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. And then this building now on the right, coming up on the right, is the Ministry of Finance. Now the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has such a nice building in downtown Kingston that you would think the Ministry of Finance would also have a nicer building than this. I mean, move them into the Bank of Jamaica building. Such a nice building. I don't know if Bank of Jamaica needs so much space. Alright, so we are now going on to Marasca Road. On the left, if we go left here, we'd stay on National Hero Circle, and that's the Woolmer's Girls School on the left. Now we're on Marasca Road, and that's also the Woolmer's Girls School on the left, and they're also on the right. Now Marasca Road will take us into the Cross Roads area. Now on the left is the Michael University College. It's very strange to have an entity with the name University and College in it, but this one does have such a name, and I'm going to show you the sign. The Michael University College. Strange, because you don't usually see the name University and College together like that. It's either the Michael University or the Michael College. Okay, on the right is the National Water Commission, and you've often heard me say that the National Housing Trust is one of the best run government agencies or entities. I think it's safe to say the National Water Commission is one of the worst run, but we're not going to get into politics. But I'm sure everybody knows why. I mean, you should see this when the Water Commission digs up a road. You should see how they leave it. Unbelievable. Alright, this is now the Crossroads area. We are on Caledonia Crescent. So we're going to go into basically the center of Crossroads now. And Crossroads is actually in the center of the city of Kingston. And it's a very busy transportation hub. It's a very busy place. If you're going from downtown to Halfway Tree, which is two of the busiest places in the city, actually two of the busiest places in Jamaica, you'd pass through Crossroads. And a crossroads is also where four main roads intersect or cross each other. That's why it was given the name Crossroads. You have Slipe Road straight ahead of us. We are on Caledonia. and you go straight across the light. You go onto Halfway Tree Road, and if you turn right, like what we're going to do, you're going to go onto Old Hope Road. So right here is a very busy area. Alright, so we're now going on to Old Hope Road. If we turn right here, that's Caledonia. And Cross Roads has a lot of facilities, like you have a post office, you have a police station, you have a hospital, a lot of business places. Very, very busy place. On the left is the Hilo supermarket and also the head office for the Hilo supermarkets. On the left is the Cross Roads tax office. Straight ahead is the Azan Super Center. On the right is, this is still a Crossroads area. On the right is a Nuttall Hospital, which is a private hospital. It's a very popular maternity hospital. And then over here on the right now is the St. Joseph's College, Teachers College. And on the left now we have a lot of car dealerships. You have KIG, which is the Jeep and Subaru, and then you have Volkswagen. On the right is Automotive Arts. It's not a car dealership, but they do, it's really related to the car industry. Okay, this intersection now is Oxford Road. So if we turn left, we take Oxford Road, and that will lead us into the New Kingston area. On the left, let's see if we can get on that. Those are the NCB towers. You have the North Tower and the South Tower, and this tower, that's actually a helipad where you can land helicopters. At this intersection, if we turn left, that's Oxford Road, takes us to New Kingston. If we go straight, we stay on Old Hope Road and go up to Papine or Ligani. If we turn right, we take, wow, you see that car just blatantly running the red light. Unbelievable, the indiscipline on the roads. Unbelievable. And it happens every day. And you see the cameras up on the light. I'm telling you, the indiscipline on the road. Sometimes you just have to see it to believe it. Okay, if we were to turn right at that intersection, we take Tom Redcombe Road down to south to Camp Road, and that would take us to the Up Park Camp facility, which is the largest military base in Jamaica. That road would also take us back to the downtown area. Okay, so we are now coming up to the intersection with Lady Musgrave Road. So if we turn left here, we would go on to Lady Musgrave Road. If we continue straight, we would stay on Old Hope Road and head towards Ligani and then Papine. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.